sport served a purpose for the military. Games served a purpose there. In addition to those, the moments, the horrific moments of battle, there was a lot of downtime. There was a lot of boredom. There was a lot of guys standing around and waiting for things to happen, or waiting, or training. And the military used sport as a way to keep people in condition, in physical condition, so they wanted them to exercise, so they encouraged them to play games of different sorts. And there were also games that had things that had kind of military applications. For instance, there's a lot of boxing. There's a lot of hand-to-hand combat in the First War. And so anything that kind of mimicked battle was part of it as well. The hours spent, as I said, waiting and waiting and waiting. It's what we do. What do people do when we get together in a group? We play games, and the other side of it is we make music, we entertain. And that's, we'll talk about that maybe at the end, but that was also a big a feature of life, that I say, on the front and also behind the